How to download and install Wells Fargo mobile app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The Wells Fargo mobile app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. Once you open, you'll be able to see the search bar in the upper section. Simply tap on that and search for Wells Fargo mobile app. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the app. You have to simply tap on the install option at the right hand side, and it will take a few minutes to install it on your device, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you download the app, you can create your account or either sign up in your account, and from over there you can use the various services of Fargo app. Fargo mobile app will allow you to access your investment in bank accounts, which will keep you updated on what's happening on your bank account or investments. You'll be able to see all of your bank account details, and there are various other options like paying and transferring money from one bank to another bank and many more. Once you download it, you can open it up and see the features over there. And after a few minutes, you can see Wells Fargo mobile app has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open option from over here and log into your account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.